Hey, my beautiful boys and girls, my Cantorites. It's me, your boy, the Cantor Man, and I'm here, Bungo Street Dogs, 1, episode 9. Let's get into it, shall we? Let's start it in 3, 2, 1, play. Let's see what new adventures we're gonna get this time. Oh shit. Yes, no, whoopsies. Wait, what? What did she forget? Uh-oh. Wait, she would put her... Wait. Let's back up here. She would put a scalper in her, in her little case for chopsticks? What the heck? Wait, don't tell me she... No way! Stop. No way. Have you... What? Oh. She would. Oh. Ew. 2 weeks ago. I don't think it's not Zach. It's probably the former. How's she gonna fuck this up? I may have forgotten this guy. He's definitely not gonna freak. What? What? Oh. Wait, what? Uh. Oh god. Oh god, no. Oh fuck. That is... Oh god. It's definitely Kunikita. That's very straightforward. What is this? Is called? I guess that's how stress is, I guess. Oh, really? What? Oh. Oh my god, gee. Oh. Oh no. She did all that on him for nothing. You get the shrimp tail? Why? Shrimp handle? Right. Yeah. I guess. I guess. Yeah, it's pretty disgusting. Yeah. Danzai, I think you need to go back to preschool, buddy. Oh no! Oh, why? He was so serious, but I was like, "Bruh, you're so stupid." To world of hunger. Oh, I see. I see. I see what he's doing. I see what he's doing. I can. No, fuck them. My food is my food. I'm never gonna vote for anybody else. Me trying, you trying me? Wait, what? That's actually pretty good. That's pretty good. Better than me. I cannot draw at all. Why don't you be like the anime? Whoa, that's pretty good. That's funny. What the fuck? What was Atsukawa doing? It's not a big problem. Uh... What else would there be? Oh. Wait, what did? Okay. Aww. What is this? I don't even have a booklet. Oh my god, does this work? No way. I have to try this later. No way. Get out of here. No way. I don't believe it. I don't believe it. I have to try that. I have to try that. I don't have, like, my notebook on me or anything. Fuck. Where is it? Where's my fucking... Where is it? I usually have it on my desk. Okay, I have to look for it. And I'll try it. And I'll probably post, like a picture, like, here or something. A kitten pet off? What is that? How do you even win that? How do you win a pet off? I don't understand. I don't get it. Is it like, I guess whatever the cat purrs the loudest, like if the cat is purring the loudest and that shows how much the cat likes it? I don't know these rules. What are the rules, Atsushi? What are the rules? Atsushi, please tell me the rules. Oh my god, dude. Those were pretty great. Okay. Well, that was Bungo Stray Dogs 1, Episode 9. Wild as always. Very insane. I think my favorite little bit there was the drawing one for sure. Especially the Gawain Atsushi fighting. I love it. That's great. Their bitterment towards each other is always fantastic to watch, especially here. Oh my god. What the fuck was that about? The scalpel too? Oh my god, that was fucking great. Oh my god. Oh man, I would hate to be chalked up by yes or no. I would hate it so much. Oh god. You would feel all the pain. I mean, you would be healed, sure, but not like that. Not like that at all, please. Oh, please no. No. I would run for my life. I would rather see a normal doctor, please. Oh my gosh. Okay. Well, yeah, that was fun. That was fun. Next week we'll have episode 10. We'll have episode 10 next week, and then I believe we'll only have 2 more left. Very sad. So sad. Or maybe 13. I don't know. Probably 12. Yeah, man, it sucks. I'm not gonna have any more Bungo Stray Dogs to react to. I want more. I want more shit to watch. There's nothing else left. Okay, well, anyway, I was a Cancer Man. I hope you enjoyed this small little reaction, as always. And I will see you guys next week for some more fun, lovable, adorable greatness. Bye bye.